Citizens, hi, this is Ivan Mawarire here. Ndiri kuno South Africa, ndiri pa SABC News. Just come from doing question time. About question time manje. The whole world is looking at Zimbabwe. And they are wondering what's happening with Zimbabweans. Chirikuiti kanema Zimbabwean ndechekuti izvo tasvika panzvimbo yekuti nesuwo takuda kuvaka nyika yedu. We want to build a country. We don't want to get left out. Yesterday I heard that the president mentioned me. President vakanditaura vakati hanzi Mawarire haasi munhu waMwari chaiye. That doesn't matter whether I am a man of God or not. We have issues that need attention. And those issues don't lie. I could be a fake man of God. Pamwe ndiri munhu waMwari wekunyebera. Asi kushaya chingwa ndekwechokwadi, kushaya mari ndekwechokwadi, kutambura nzara, kurwara ndekwechokwadi. All that is real and needs attention. And as Zimbabweans, we are now calling on our president to say, Mr. President, if there can be no solution, then we respectfully ask that we put in place a leader that can take us to where this country needs to be. That's all we are asking. As children of Zimbabwe, surely we have the right to ask that. We're allowed to ask that. And so the president has asked me not to come back home. No one is giving me any money. It's me and my phone and my flag. I am a citizen. If you can respond, I actually get tired sometimes. But one day you and I will live in a Zimbabwe that we can be proud of. That day is coming. It's a dream that all of us carry. I know you have that dream in your heart. I have it too. May God bless you. The Bible says weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. Let me tell you that joy is coming to Zimbabwe. God bless you. Pastor E here.